students, welcome to the next day of school from home. I hope you all are fine. Yesterday we have done exercise 3.2. Today we will start our next exercise 3.3. So, first topic is LCM. What is LCM? The least or the lowest common multiple. The least common multiple of two numbers is the smallest number, that is the multiple of both. So there are two methods of finding LCM. First is the prime factorization method and second is the division method. So first method we will discuss. To find LCM by prime factorization method, we need to follow few steps. First one is you need to factorize the number, just like you have done in HCF. Then collect the largest number of occurrence of the prime factor and find the product of these factors. This will give you LCM of the numbers. Let us discuss it with the help of an example.
So first question is find the LCM of 16 and 32 by prime factorization method. So हम first method से इन दो नंबर का क्या फाइंड करेंगे LCM. So write 16 and 32 here and factorize these two numbers. Firstly, I will factorize 16. So, सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर क्या होगा? 2, जो 16 को डिविजिबल करे. So, what will come here? 8. Again, it is divisible on 2. So, 4 will come. Again, 2 and 1. Now 32. Even number है, फिर 2 पे divisible है. So, here 16 will come. Then 8. Then 4, then 2, and then 1. So, prime factors of 16 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 4 times 2. And prime factors of 32 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 5 times 2. Now see, we have to find the LCM. So, जो maximum number of times आ रहा है वो हम consider करेंगे. Here 2 4 times है and here 2 is 5 times. So, we'll consider 2 5 times. So, LCM will be 5 times 2. So, answer is 32. So, LCM क्या हुआ 16 और 32 का? That is 32. This is your answer.
This method of finding LCM is called division method. This is also called short division method. There are few steps which you need to follow. First one is write the number in horizontal line and separate them by commas. आपको numbers को horizontal line में लिखना है और separate करना है उन्हें commas से. Then divide them with suitable prime number which exactly divides at least two of the given numbers. Then put the quotient directly under the number in the next row. Keep dividing the quotient until no pair of bottom numbers have common factors. Then find the product of all prime factors. This product will give you the required LCM. So let us discuss it with the help of an example.
Find the LCM of 120, 144, 160, 180 by division method. This is the second method, also called shortcut method. तो इस method से हमें क्या करना है? इन 4 numbers का LCM find out करना है. So firstly, arrange these numbers in a row and separate them with commas. So all are even numbers, which means they are divisible by 2. So here 60 will come, here 72, 80 and 90. Again, they are divisible by 2. Here 30 will come, here 36 will come, 40 will come and here 45. Again, 2 पे divisible है, in 3 numbers. So we use 2. 15 will come, 18, 20. 45 divisible नहीं है तो exactly same हम नीचे copy down कर देंगे. Now again 2. 15 divisible नहीं होता 2 से तो same आ जाएगा. Here 9 will come, 10 and 45. अब next number क्या होगा? 3. So here 5 will come, 3 will come, and here 15 will come. Again 3, 5 exactly आ जाएगा, 3 ones are 3, 10 exactly, and here 5 will come. Next, अब ये 5 पे divisible है, so here 1 will come, 2 and 1. So LCM of 120, 144, 160 and 180 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 4 times 2 will come, 2 times 3 will come, 1 time 5 and 1 time 2. So on multiplying all these numbers, we will get 1440. So this is answer. LCM of 120, 144, 160, 180 is 1440. Number 4 of your book. What is the smallest number that is divisible by 7, 14 and 21? आपको smallest number find out करना है जो इससे divisible हो 7 से भी, 14 से भी और 21 से भी. So smallest number is equal to LCM of 7, 14 and 21. जो smallest number होगा वो क्या होगा? LCM होगा इन सबका. So we will find the LCM of these three numbers. तो अरेंज करो नंबर्स को इन रो और सेपरेट करना है इनको विद कॉमास. सो नाउ 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14 and 7 3 जा 21. अगेन 2 पे डिविजिबल है और 3 जो होगा वो अपने आप पे डिविजिबल होगा बिकॉज दीज आर प्राइम नंबर्स. सो हमारे पास कितने फैक्टर्स हो गए इसके? 7, 2 and 3. सो LCM of 7, 14, 21 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So what will be the answer? Here answer will be 42. So the smallest number that is divisible by 7, 14 and 21 is equal to 42. This is answer. This is question number 7 of your book. Find the lowest numbers which when divided by 30, 45 and 60 leaves the remainder of 7 in each case. हमें lowest number निकालना है जो 30, 45 और 60 को जब डिवाइड करें तो 7 रिमाइंडर दे each case में. So we will find LCM of 30, 45 and 60. So arrange these numbers in row, separate them with commas. Now 2 से divisible होगा क्या? What will come here? 15. Here 45 divisible नहीं होता 2 से, so here 30. Next 3. 3 5s are 15. Here 15 will come. Here 10 will come. Now 5, 1, 3 and 2. So LCM of 30, 45 and 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 and 2. So here 180 will come. Now क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? कितना रिमाइंडर लीव हो रहा है? 7. सो वी विल add 7 in LCM of 30, 45 and 60. So 180 plus 7. Answer is 187. This is the lowest number which when divided by 30, 45 and 60 leave remainder 7 in each case. So this is our answer.
With this, my today's explanation is over. Now I am giving you few questions of exercise 3.3 to solve, which you will get in the form of PDF at your school website. So try to solve these questions. Okay students, bye bye and take care.